Are you ready to take your training to the next level? Whether it's sparring, hitting the bags, or just starting out, the right gloves can make all the difference in the world. First off, the RDX gloves are made from Maya hide leather. This material is known for being incredible, durable during combat activities like sparring, Muay Thai, MMA, and kickboxing. The glove has a slick black and golden design that's stylish and functional. Also, the gloves provide great wrist support, ensuring that you stay comfortable and secure during training. Also, the padding inside protects your hands and wrists, while the extra holes on the gloves provide enough ventilation to keep your hands cool and dry during intense training. As you can see, the gloves are designed to handle impact and shocks when you're throwing your punches like the jab, the hook, the uppercut, or the rear cross. Now, although these gloves are amazing, there's just one thing that I do want to point out, and that's the break-in period. At first, these gloves may feel a bit stiff, but after a few sessions, they're going to perfectly mold to your hand. My final thoughts is that the RDX boxing gloves are durable, comfortable, and provide an excellent protection for your hands and wrists. In my opinion, these gloves are a fantastic investment. And if you want to purchase these gloves, the link is in the description.